In the United States, weekends are no longer just for rest.
For many Americans, weekends are a real opportunity to earn extra income in dollars without quitting their main job. One of the most popular weekend side hustles in America is food and grocery delivery. Platforms like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart allow people to work only on weekends. And you choose your own hours, work locally, and get paid weekly or even instantly. This side hustle is flexible, beginner-friendly, and perfect for short weekend shifts. Americans love their pets, and weekends are peak demand for pet care. Apps like Rover connect pet owners with sitters and dog walkers in their area. And this side hustle is ideal if you enjoy animals, offering stress-free income and consistent weekend cash.
Weekends are perfect for online reselling. Turn old clothes, electronics, and books into extra cash.
You can list unused items on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Poshmark. No upfront investment needed. Many Americans use online reselling to make quick weekend income easily and efficiently. It's simple. Turn what you already own into dollars and build consistent weekend income. If you prefer staying home, online work is another strong option for extra weekend income. Simple freelance gigs, surveys, data entry, or micro tasks can be done on weekends using a laptop or phone. These tasks may seem small, but they add up consistently over time, building extra weekend income. From surveys to simple freelance tasks, anyone can earn extra dollars working smart on weekends. And the best part about weekend side hustles in the USA is flexibility. You don't need to quit your job just wisely. Choose one hustle, stay consistent, and let your weekends start paying you back.